Today, I'll show you exactly how to remove the Microsoft official support Scareware, the fake warning that tells you to call a particular phone number. If you see a pop-up or someone calling and claiming to be Microsoft support, do not call them. Microsoft does not make unsolicited support calls asking for money. In this video, I will walk you through every step, from safely escaping the pop-up to cleaning your PC and protecting your accounts. Let's get into it. If the scam is a browser pop-up, that won't close. Do not click anything inside the pop-up. Instead, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open the Task Manager. In the Task Manager, find your web browser process. Click it, then click End Task to force close. Now open Microsoft Edge. Click the three dots in the top right corner. Then click Settings at the bottom of the list. In the left menu, choose Privacy, Search and Services. Scroll down to the Security section and select it. Look for Scareware Blocker and toggle it on. Scareware Blocker uses a local machine learning model to detect and break scam pages. It runs locally, and it is designed to block fake tech support and scareware pages before they can lock you. If you don't see the Scareware Blocker option, update Edge. Click the three dots at the top corner. Select Help and Feedback, and click on About Microsoft Edge. From there, let it update. After updating, restart Edge and check the settings again. Now let's clean the browser and block reoccurrence by removing malicious settings and extensions. For Edge, select Settings. Choose Extensions and remove any unknown extensions. Now let's clear any possible malicious browsing data. Move to Settings. Select Privacy, Search and Services. Clear browsing data. Now you simply need to choose what to clear. From there, make sure you choose for all time. And finally click Clear. You should take the same steps if you are using Chrome, Firefox or any other browser. The procedure is similar. Next, we need to check your browser notifications. Some of these scam sites trick you into clicking a button, which lets them push fake warnings straight to your desktop. Here's what to do on Edge. At the Settings section, select Privacy, Search and Services. From there, select Site Permissions. Click on All Permissions. Then click Pop-ups and Redirects. Find any unknown or scammy websites in the Allow list and change them to Block or Remove. When done, move back to All Permissions and select Notifications. Do the same for this section as well. Find any unknown or scammy websites in the Allow list and change them to Block or Remove. The process is similar on other web browsers too. If you gave the scammer remote access software like AnyDesk, TeamViewer, or remote utilities, they may still be connected. Let's uninstall those programs. We open Settings by pressing Windows key plus I. Choose Apps from the left panel and select Installed Apps. Over here, you have to find any remote access software like AnyDesk, TeamViewer, or anything similar. Click it and choose Uninstall. If it did allow remote access, be cautious. Attackers may have installed backdoors. Before we wrap up, I need you to hear this part clearly. If at any point during the scam, even accidentally, you click the button, allow the prompt, hit continue, or interacted with anything on that fake Microsoft warning website, you're not done. You have followed all the steps in this tutorial, and that's good. But once you click anything on those pages, they can push hidden temporary payloads and background actions that don't show up immediately. And that's the part most people don't realize. The danger doesn't end when the pop-up disappears. My strong recommendation is to run the ultimate Windows virus cleaner immediately after this tutorial. This tool completes the cleanup in ways that Windows cannot do automatically, and in ways that the manual steps in this tutorial do not cover. This is the same tool I personally use when I fix infected systems for clients, and it performs 3 critical checks you absolutely need after dealing with a scam website. Simply run the tool as an administrator. Once it opens, you will see a simple, self-explanatory console. Every option is clearly labeled, so you just choose the features you need. If your browser settings were hijacked, if suspicious processes were running, or if anything was changed without your permission, the tool will help you clean up those traces and restore everything back to normal. The first option is the deep scan feature. It looks for hidden or unusual background apps that are not signed by Microsoft, the kind that scam sites try to trigger, and shuts them down instantly. Simply type in the PID to have that malicious software terminated. Windows Task Manager will not show many of these. This tool does. The second necessary feature is the payload cleanup. This is because scam sites drop temporary files in locations normal users never check, like your app data, browser temporary directories, and more. My tool wipes all of that safely in one click. The next critical feature is the DNS and network reset. Some scam pages silently change your DNS or network routing to direct you to a fake support page, even after you close the browser. This tool resets everything back to clean defaults. The other features can also sweep up any leftover malware remnants, so feel free to run them to ensure your system closes every leftover door the scam might have opened. And that's why I strongly recommend using it right after the tutorial. Click the Gumroad link pinned in the comment section to get the ultimate Windows virus cleaner.